Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Perfectly fine. Thanks for asking.
Okay. And how was your day today?
A bit sad, a bit angry and sad, and a bit happy and jolly.
Oh, okay. Like a mixture of different events, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Rafael, which topic we are going to discuss?
T20 cricket.
I think it's birds.
Right.
Yeah?
Sorry?
It's birds, right?
Sorry.
Birds. The topic is birds.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. So, can you tell me which is your favorite bird?
It would be parrot.
Parrot.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you tell me the reason why do you like parrot?
See, they even copy things.
Yeah.
Like, if you say anything, you'll just...
Right. In the same voice.
Yeah. And one time, I went to my uncle's home.
Okay.
So, in their neighborhood, they had a parrot. So, when they gave to my sister, Chani, she was very scared. She was like, she cried.
Okay. And
Once, it was in my body aunt's shoulder.
okay. And how did you react to that parrot?
It didn't came into me, but I was seeing that. It was seeing everybody.
Okay. So, can you tell me any three birds that you find very beautiful and that you like?
Myna, peacock. Crow.
Oh, crow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I often find crows coming here, doing some nasty things and going there, eating some food and getting away.
Okay.
And the second one is Myna.
Yeah, you told me before as well.
Alright. The third one is eagle.
Peacock is also a bird.
Yeah.
You
But it's not in here. We often find eagle in the sky. We rarely even find it.
Okay. So that's why you like these these birds.
Yeah. So can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
What's your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is peacock only.
Peacock?
Yes, peacock.
Yeah, there's the national animal.
Yeah, it's a national bird. And
You know, and bird starts from F.
sorry,
Do you know a bird from F?
a bird from F.
Yeah.
Let me think.
Do you want a clue?
Yes, please.
S-A-P.
SAT.
S-A-P.
No, I can't remember. Can you say please?
Sparrow.
Sorry?
Sparrow.
Oh, sparrow.
Yep.
You told me a bird with the name starts with F,
Uh-huh.
not S.
I was saying S, not O.
Okay, I have heard F.
So, I have a riddle.
You have a?
Riddle.
Okay. So, yes.
I will wake up in the night.
Hmm?
Tomorrow I'll be gone.
You had a dream? Are you saying?
No riddle.
What is that?
Owl.
Can you explain, please?
Owl.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it is a bird, right?
Yeah.
And it can snatch your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And tell me that which is a home for a bird?
Tree.
Of course, right. And if you know that they make their own home in that tree as well, right?
Yeah. I have a question for you again.
Okay.
What bird starts from W?
W.
Yeah.
What bird's name starts with W? It's a difficult one. Swan? No, not swan.
Woodpecker.
Owl. Owl had W.
No.
Swan also had W.
Woodpecker starts from W.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Woodpecker.
Yeah. Got it. Now can you tell me? Now can you tell me a bird's name which starts with B?
D. This is very difficult than I thought.
Now you will understand what is my situation.
Huh?
Now you will understand what is my situation.
Sorry?
No, tell me what is any bird's name which starts with B.
This is the most difficult one that I've seen in this world.
No, it's not that difficult. You must not remember it. Remind it right now. Can I tell you?
Yep.
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle?
Bald, yeah. Go and search it. You will get to know. I cannot explain the bird's features, but if you will go and search, you will get to know bald eagle. Okay. So now we should discuss about the topic. So tell me that how do you know that nowadays birds are dying?
No.
Yeah, because of cell phone towers, because of the towers, birds are dying. You don't know about it?
Because of cell phone tower?
Yeah, because of towers, because of the radiation.
Yeah, the radiation.
Yeah.
Radiation makes bird die, like nuclear radiation.
Yes. So, can you tell me any one way that will be helpful for birds and they will not die?
So, I didn't know what that, because I don't know.
What we can do?
Yeah.
I think what we can do is that we should do something about the radiation. We should make something which will stop the radiation from reaching to the birds,
Mm-hmm.
right?
So, build it in somewhere else that the birds won't come.
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah.
And that's all I know.
Okay. So, Rafael, tell me that any one way that we can help the birds. No, any three ways that we can help birds.
One, feeding them.
Yeah, right.
Two, protecting them.
Yes. By what? By how?
By children throwing stones at them.
Okay.
See, if some have a good core, they'll just throw stones at them, so they'll get beaten up by that.
Yeah.
See, we saw a bird in our the compound. See, the bird fainted. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. The bird fainted and started to fall, or by pressure, it started to fall, and it just hit the metal spike and it just died.
Oh, so you are talking about a real story?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So my grandpa took it out and he buried it.
Oh, okay.
My sister and brother had a cat. They both are dead. Very sad.
Oh, okay.
Because when they started to pet a dog, things had changed.
Oh,
From the oldest one. But see, we'd be having a peaceful sleep by putting ACs like that. Now the AC does not function because of animals, so but it's still running, and the dog will always have to bark, always bark.
okay.
So some days he would just go to Kochi
Okay.
because it's a tourist. So that's all. Sorry, the killer was the dog.
Okay. The killer was the dog.
Who killed the cat is the dog.
No.
Yeah.
So,
I started to hate dogs.
you started?
I started to hate dogs.
Oh, you started hating dogs because of these.
It almost bite my my sibling's leg.
Oh.
Brother sibling's leg. It had bitten my brother sibling's leg.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a bit. Now my uncle was very angry at it. He almost tried to kill the dog, but it got escaped.
Okay.
And what we did is he went to TT for 4 days.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
he was a pretty guy. He was very angry when we saw. I started to hate dogs, so but I love birds because they're cute. They always obey. Don't go out and run like this.
Okay, so any one ways also is left that we were discussing about how we can save the birds by not cutting trees.
in a tree or in a cage, like an coconut shell. You can just place it and it'll be like ding, 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 happy.
Okay. So you're saying that we should release the birds from the cage.
Yeah,
Okay.
they'll find their home
Yeah.
in there and pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew.
So Rafael, if you can be a bird for a day, which bird would you like to be?
I would like to be eagle.
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 Okay. Why?
Because they have sharp eyes.
Okay.
So what can I do is I can see my dad. I can see my dad from the top.
Oh. Okay.
Find my brother and hey bro, do you want some juice? I'll buy it flying. Pew.
Okay.
I'm going to the nearest supermarket buying a juice. Hey bro, this is your juice. Drink some and give to me. I want to drink also.
And you think that they will give you the juice?
No, they'll just put it in a bowl and I'll be like,
Okay.
how can you buy? Pew. When I go home, I'll be back to my normal form.
Okay, so you want to be an eagle for a day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me
So,
any.
I don't have to use my dad to go school. I only just need to fly.
And eagle would be sitting on the bench and learning things, right? That would be so funny.
Yep, it would be like.
Yeah, and they will allow you to sit on the bench if you will be an eagle.
So if I can transform to my normal form, I could just go inside. May I come in, ma'am?
Yeah.
And then I have to go to the high school. I just need to become an eagle and just go high school and I'll be sitting there and say, may I come in, teacher? With my uniform. May I come in, teacher?
Yeah.
And I'll follow. I'll just show the location where to go. And I'll be sitting there. Suddenly I'll go to the next classroom and I'll just form to my normal and, huh? Good morning, madam. I'm going inside the class.
Yeah.
It was very funny.
Yeah, it would be. So, as I feel, I think we had a good conversation.
Yeah, funny. It's not a great one. It's a funny one.
Okay, it was a funny one. It was a funny conversation, and now it's time to hang up.
All right. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.